Hi guys! Nakapagtapsilog na ba ang lahat ng GFH Street Restaurant? Once again guys, this is John of your GFH Street Restaurant here in Ajman. Saluting to all hardworking men and women all over the world guys. Shout out to all of us guys. Hard works really pays off guys. Alhamdulillah. So keep on grinding lang tayo mga guys. What we are today is what we are in the future guys. Inshallah. So guys, deserve natin magtapsilog ng GFH Street Restaurant. Good food, good mood. Everyday fresh, quality goods. So guys, paki-comment and mention muna ang mga kakilala mong hardworking and tapsilog lovers guys. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share to this video guys para ganahan naman tayong mag-upload ng video sa susunod guys. Joke guys. And guys, shoutout ko lang po pala sa mga magagaling na chef na nakasama ko sa aking journey from Chowking Philippines, Fiesta Pinoy Al Ain, Dubai, to Ma'am Sharjah, UAE guys. Thank you so much all guys to all of you. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Hi guys. So ayun guys. Hello. Everyday fresh. Thank you so much guys for your support. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Everyday fresh.